Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to install the React in your machine, the latest version. So you are going to go to the Google and type first, before install the React, you have to install the Node.js. Click on the first link. Okay, so the first you have to click on the first link. You have to select the Windows version. You have to go to the Windows version. What I am going to do, Windows down. Okay, so you have to wait until the download has been completed. The node has been downloaded successfully. I open up, double click, next. I accept the license agreement. Next, this is the default location where I am going to install the node. Next, 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 install. So you have to wait until the Node.js install your machine. Okay, this is very must. Okay, so before we are driving to the React, okay, this is the step we have to follow them. Okay, so that it is installing, it takes some time to install. Okay, node, which is a package management, so we must install the node. Okay, after install that, what you're going to do is you have to check on it whether it is installed successfully or not. Go to the command prompt, you have to check node hyphen v. Now here this is the latest version, it installed. Now we can moving to the React part. Okay, React. So I'm going to first, you have to create a folder which is nothing but React project. Okay, in this folder I'm going to open with the command prompt. Okay, this command prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the React. Okay, React, if you don't go to that website and create it. Okay, this is to take too much of time, so not React official website. React, yes. Okay, this official website, if you go and create, it takes too much of time to create. Okay, so instead that, what you are going to do is here you have to create that here. Yes, create. Okay, so here instead of, we are simply we have to create the, here this installation is there. Here it's React, create a new app. So you have to go to here, you have to type it. So here instead of that, simply we have to create the React app. Simple way we have followed, this how we have industrial using, rather than you have to using that app in the official website, that is called as white. Okay, so you have to write it npm create white at, you have to write latest. Okay, press enter key. So this is the current version of white. You can proceed. Yes, project name I'm going to create as first project. Okay, press enter key. So here it asks to select the framework and go along with the React. You have to select this one using your up and down arrow to select the relevant framework. I select React and press enter key. Now at the moment I'm not going to go along with the TypeScript. I go along with the JavaScript. Select JavaScript. Okay, so press enter key. Okay, npm install with npm start. Yes, press enter key. Okay, this is more important step you have to follow them. Okay, this is that the way you have to install that uh, React. Okay, so that uh, React corresponding dependencies install, that you have to keep as it is until all the things completed. That's scaffolding everything. You can see here that the folder is created. The folder is created. You can see here the folder is created. Okay, this folder is created. Inside the folder, the respective folder and files are installed. Okay, so that they keep installing, you have to keep as it is until the installation is completed. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. This is very essential stuff to complete the steps, very essential things to complete the steps. Okay, keep as it is until the things completed. Okay, so that it is installing all the node modules 11 things. Now the installation has been completed, that npm installation. So after this is the port which will be running. So copy this, my back to my browser, you have to paste on it here. It is successfully running. Okay, this is how we have installed the React in your machine. Thank you for watching.